In this course, you'll learn how to share photos from both the mobile and web versions of CompanyCam. We'll start on the mobile device here on the left side of the screen. So once you open up the CompanyCam app, you'll see here, if you did want to share straight from this home screen, you'll just find that project. You'll see this arrow located in the middle of that project card. Once you hit that, you'll see your two sharing options. You can share a project timeline, which is a live link to that specific project, or you can share all images from that project itself. If you would like to send any particular pictures from that project, once you click inside of it, you can press and hold on these images, which will allow you to start selecting multiple at any given time. Once you've got your selection chosen, you'll see at the bottom right of that screen, these three little dots here. Once we click those, we'll choose Share Gallery, and it's gonna ask you if you wanna include the details with the photos. So who, when, and where the photos were taken. If we do click yes, it will bring up your phone's normal sharing options. From there, we can just text it, email it, a few ways to send it out there. Another option here is if you do hit this arrow here at the top right of your screen, you'll see you can select images here, you can share that timeline again, or you can share all project images. Again, it's just a link that's sent out, a URL, so you can send all 5,429 pictures if you would like to. If we switch over to the web version of CompanyCam, again, you'll have those same options here. So we'll click into our test account, and from here, you can click share. You'll see share all project images here. You can also share that timeline link again, or you can disable that timeline link once it's shared from either the mobile or the web versions. So I'll kind of show you what that timeline link will look like. Here we can copy it and email it if we wanted to. But if you did want to view it to kind of see what we're going to be sending out, you'll see it is branded with your logo. It's going to have their address. Your featured image is going to be up here at the top of the screen, but each day will have its own separate gallery. So it's easy for the client to follow along with what you're doing and have some sort of interaction. The next way, if we do select just a couple images here, we'll take these first 6. You do have shared gallery right here. So if we want to do a gallery, we can include those details, who, when, and where the photo was taken, and we'll get a link again. So we can copy this, we can email it out, we can send it multiple ways. But once they click on that, you'll see the pictures here, all this information, your edits, and they do have an option to download them as well. The third option on the web is our photo reports. So once again, if you have these images selected, we'll take all of Wednesday's, go to reports up here at the top, and you'll create a new report. So from here, this allows you to customize what you're sending out. So we'll have a title here. We have a subtitle, this could be a claim number. And then a few details here we can turn on and off. Company logo, the date, how many pictures on there, who took it, and what company created it. So from here, we can add more information, we can insert more photos, we can add a page break or a text block if you'd like to. And if you wanted to add more information to those photos, you have the option to do so here. So once you're done, adding all this information here, you have a ton of space to do so. You can preview these PDFs down at the bottom. You can share a normal web report, or you can just generate the PDF straight from the website, which you can attach in an email and send to insurance agents, clients, business owners, whoever it would be.